Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about this awesome loose setting powder by Wet n Wild, and I am back with another rapid review. So jumping on into this video, these are the powders that I'm talking about today. This is by Wet n Wild. This is their Photo Focus line. So they came out with this one, which is the Photo Focus Translucent Powder, and that obviously just has no color. It's just straight powder. And this is the Photo Focus Banana Powder. And this one has a slight yellow tint to it, so it's not going to be completely like transparent or just a white powder. And this is meant to brighten up the under eyes and kind of like in the T-zone, just to make it lighter and brighter. I purchased both of these at Ulta, but they are currently out of stock right now, and everyone is going crazy over these, so it's totally understandable. But you can also find them at Target right now, and they are only $5.99, and you get so much product in here, which is insane. I'm like still shook that you get so much product and it's so affordable. The actual powders come with 20 grams of product, and there is a lot. When you first open it, it does just look like a traditional powder. It doesn't have that much out of it, but I've used this several times now and it does kind of like get a little bit messy. So it's an interesting mixture of ingredients in here, but it's a thicker powder, and it's really awesome to have these on hand if you want to bake and just really set your face, especially if you have oily skin. These are going to be your best friends because they soak up so much oil. For the translucent powder, this one is awesome. It is such a beautiful consistency. The powder is silky, it's smooth, it goes on really easily with either a brush or a damp sponge. I did different techniques with it and I've just been in love with it. It's such a great consistency that doesn't cake under your eyes, which I'm so thankful for, and it really does soak up any oil on your face. So I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me applying it and setting my concealer with the translucent powder. I used a damp sponge in this clip, and as you can see, there is a lot of pigment to this. It kind of has like a flower, like a cakey flower feel to it, like it's not a light powder. It is heavy duty, ready to like set and lock and load makeup, which I absolutely love. Of course, after I left this on my face to bake for about like 5 minutes, I just took a brush and I dusted it off, and it looks amazing. Like I said, there's no creasing, there's no like cakiness. It's a beautiful formula that's still really thick, but somehow it's like lightweight on your skin. If that makes any sense, it just looks stunning, and I'm just really impressed with the formula. And as you guys can see in the clip, I applied the banana powder, and you can see it's kind of darker than normal, and I let it sit for a couple minutes as well to kind of see if it would change colors, and it did darken my foundation a bit, and I just dusted it off with a regular brush. I was seriously so impressed with both of these though, just the way the consistency is and how it makes your skin look really smooth. I felt like I had a filter on my face. I was like, wow, like this is really smoothing, it absorbs the oil, and it just looks fantastic. And as you can see, the banana powder, this one looked like it was going to brighten on my eyes, but once I let it sit for a couple of minutes and then I dusted it off with a brush, it looked kind of dark. Not like too dark, but it definitely changed the color of my foundation, so that was a little disappointing. But I am very impressed with the formula. It really gives you like that blurred effect. The actual like powder is not cakey or anything like that. You can use this all over your face if you want to just lightly set it, or you can use it for hardcore baking and just like carving out different parts of your face, and it does such an amazing job. It's so crazy how much oil it does soak up, so if you are dry skin, I would probably use this with a really light hand and not apply too much because it really is mattifying. I would probably recommend Wet n Wild taking this formula and making an illuminated version of it, because that would be a game changer, especially for my dry skin people. This would be just phenomenal with an illuminating powder, especially for like the summertime. Like it would be amazing. Overall, really impressed. These are incredible, affordable. If you need some new powder, even if you're like a working makeup artist, these would be really awesome to have in your kits as well. And yeah, 5 out of 5 stars, totally recommend, love it. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found this helpful. This powder is so bomb, I just can't get over it. I'm going to be using this a ton. But thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!